Good evening, you guys. It's been a while since I've posted on YouTube. I think I posted about a year ago about my last, but before that, it was a while. I've had a YouTube page for about 6 years and I haven't been consistent. And I just figured during this quarantine, why not hop back in it? So the reason why I am doing this video today is because way back when I was trying to embrace this natural thing. I was insecure about my forehead. I had this TWA. I didn't know what to do with it. My hair was thin. My forehead was big. Oh my God. So now I'm here. Oh, and long story short, now I have locks. Bam, I embraced that. So now I'm here because I am trying to figure out ways to get rid of these dark circles under my eyes. I can't say I've actually tried everything. I can't say that I have. There's some stuff that I did try. One of the things that I've tried was, see, ooh, that glare. Gleamin'. Okay, so Gleamin' is a vitamin C mask. It's made with turmeric and aloe vera, and it instantly enhances your skin for a luminous bare face glow. Now, I will say this. I don't wear makeup, but I do wear concealer under my dark circles. So I can't tell you how it really works as far as makeup goes, but I will say my face does glow after using this. All right, I've heard that when you use this and then you put makeup on, like it makes your face look amazing. I can't tell you if that's true or not. And it also comes with this brush here. I love this stuff. I love this stuff. I don't have like dark spots. I think it's supposed to clear up like the dark spots. It's supposed to help with acne. I don't have acne issues. I don't have dark spots on my face. It's just the dark circles around my eyes. Other than that, that stuff is legit. I like it. There's another thing that I've heard about and I've seen it work on others. So I know this works, but I have not been consistent with this. Bentonite clay, the Aztec clay. I've heard this was some good stuff. I've used it a couple of times. You mix it with apple cider vinegar. You're supposed to keep it on your skin or your face for about 5 to 10 minutes. For delicate skin, 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. You will feel a tightening sensation. Listen to me. With this stuff, your face pulsates with that stuff. And it does leave a little redness. I think like the first couple of times. The first time I used it, it left a little redness around here. And it could be possibly because it's the apple cider vinegar, that's mixed in it. But it didn't break me out. It's all natural. There's nothing mixed in it but bentonite clay. With those two, I will say this though, you are always supposed to moisturize. Now, I have dry skin. You probably can't tell now, or you probably can. I just got out the shower and washed my face. My skin is very, very dry. And what I use to jojoba is jojoba oil. Oh, it's that glare, y'all. I'm sorry. Hope you can see it a little bit. There it is. Jojoba oil. So that's what I use to moisturize my skin. And I love this stuff. It's from Levin Rose. They have a website. You can order off that website. As a matter of fact, tell you how much I love them. So I have vitamin C serum. And I have Jamaican black castor oil. And the vitamin C serum, I am actually going to put in what I am about to show you now. This is actually supposed to help with pigmentation, what I heard. So, the real reason why I'm here is because I heard aloe vera gel was legit. And I've done my research on it. And it's been long enough and now I want to try it. So I made up some of my own stuff. All right. And I'm going to actually put this on my face. And I'm going to put the vitamin E serum in it. I'm going to put that in it just to see how it works and if it helps with my dark circles up under my eyes. I'm gonna try to stick to this. I'm gonna do this. I don't know. I'm gonna do this until this is gone. So I'm not gonna tell you I'm gonna do this for 5 days. I'm gonna do this for 10 days and I'll be back. Until this is gone, if I'm consistent with this every single day, I'm hoping I get some improvement around here. All right. I'm going to end this video here because I don't want to be on here too long. I thank you guys for tuning in. I'm so sorry I have been gone for so long. I got to be consistent with this. I want to leave you with this. Don't drop your dream. Whatever dream you have, you pick that dream up and run with it. Because if you don't, someone else will.